Okay, this is what we have now. I click on play. Perfect. Now I will create the animated planks for the other side. I stop the animation, I hold down Ctrl and duplicate the cloner. I move the duplication a bit in Z direction. I switch to the top view. I zoom in close as I can and make a precise placement here. Like so. Alright, that's looking good. I switch back to the perspective view. I go back to frame 0, click on this button and click on play. This is the result for the moment. As you know, we need the animated planks here on this side. So I go to frame 63, select the cube here and make here some adjustments. Here you can see the cube. Here is the axis. I will have the axis on this side. So click on mesh. Axis center and choose axis center again. This menu comes up. Set X to -100% and Y to -100% and click on execute. And in the next step we have to change the keyframes. So I type in here on frame 27 a minus sign. Like so. Press enter. And now hold down Ctrl and click here to overwrite the keyframe on frame 27. And now look at that. Isn't it amazing? Please recreate now this by yourself. Alright. See you in the next lecture, my friends. Bye.